Hey, what's up YouTubers? Yeah, lady, teenager, moto, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and of course don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you know the next time I'm posting another video. Guys, today's video, I am so excited. I'm wearing my afro wig, but I'm going to show you another wig, which means we are going to unbox another wig. Are you excited? Yes, the wig we are going to unbox is this wig. It's called the Naked Nature. 100% human hair, wet and wavy wig. Oh my goodness, guys. Waikiki Call. Look at that. That is the hair we are going to unbox today. So I went to the store, actually the beauty store. I went to buy totally a different thing. When I saw this wig, it was displayed on the mannequin. When I saw this wig on the mannequin, I'm like, wait a minute, that wig looks so good and it looks natural. And I'm like, I need this wig. So I tried the model wig over there. Oh my word, the wig is so soft. It's natural human hair. It is so soft you cannot even feel it. So I'm like, I need this wig. The wig was a little pricey, but it's okay. I had to get it. So I tell the guy I need a discount on this wig. So obvious he gave me the discount. So this wig actually was $69. 69 US dollars. That's how much this wig costs. So I went ahead and purchased this wig. So today I am going to unbox this wig for y'all so you can see. Are you even ready? Are you ready? So over here you can see I have a mannequin, a foam mannequin. So this mannequin actually is going to help me to kind of put the wig there and try to straighten the wig. Okay, let's go ahead, let's unbox this amazing wig. And guys, if you have used this wig, please let me know, comment below and tell me what do you think about the wig. Okay, let's go and unbox this wig. Okay, this is how the wig comes. So you take the wig off. Some papers are falling. There you go. So the paper that was falling is this paper. So this is how the wig looks like. And whoa, that's the baby right there. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. So this is of course the cover they have here to protect the wig. So this is how the wig comes, and the wig has a net. It's a beautiful net over here. Let me show you. Beautiful net over here to protect it. Let me take it off. The net. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, it smells like new. So this is how the wig looks like. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that wig. It's really human hair. And what the guy told me is like, one side of the wig, as you can tell, is already straightened up. So you can wear this wig straight or you can wear it curly. So this wig has two sides, wet and wavy, which means you can wear it straight or you can wear it curly. So I'm going to show you on the mannequin how we are going to straighten this wig. So the way you do is that whenever you don't want to make it curly, you just straighten up. You get the hot beauty or hot iron straightener and you iron your. If you want to wear it straight, all you have to get is this thing that they call hot beauty right here. This is my hot beauty right here. So you kind of straighten the hair. And if you don't want it straightened, all you have to do is get a bottle of water. Get a bottle of water, a spray, and get a spray like this and spray it, and it's going to be curly, okay? But I'm going to make sure that I need to straighten all this hair so that, because I think I like it when it's straight. What do you think? So I'm going to straighten the wig, and then I'm going to try it, and then we see how it looks like, okay? So let's put this wig from inside. Yes, that's how it looks like. Ooh, look at that nice cap there. And over here it says shake and go, which means you're supposed to shake it and go. So let's put this wig here in the mannequin, and of course he has a adjuster here. You can adjust as much as you want as your head, like according to your head size. So it's really beautiful. It's so soft. It feels like it's, oh my goodness, it's like a real hair. Understand what I mean? Again, this wig, you can wash it before you wear it, or some people don't even wash it. For this one, I'm not gonna wash it because I'm going to be straightening it up like this. So let me go ahead and put it here on the mannequin. I hope my mannequin is going to cooperate, and I hope you guys can see. So let's put it here in this mannequin right here, so you can see how it looks like. Oh my word, so beautiful. So I'm rotating it so you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to come with my hot comb, and I'm going to try to make it straight. Of course, my hot comb here is already hot. These hot combs, actually, they come in two sizes. They come in a smaller one and a bigger one. This is a traveling one. You're traveling, you know, you don't want to carry these big ones. You can go with the small ones. So when I travel, I go with this one, but when I'm home, I use with this beauty, hot beauty. It's really nice. So let me see, let me turn it on. There's a thing here. You turn it on and you can see the red there, which means it's hot on. So I'm going to give it a few seconds. Ooh, it's already hot. So this thing is hot. Yes. So we are going to straighten our wig. Ooh, come on, you wig. I hope you guys can see. My aim is to make it all the way straight like this. So let's keep going. Oh my goodness, yes. It's definitely becoming straight. Look at this, guys. I hope you guys can see. Look at that. It's just one swap and it's all straight. One swap, it's all straight. Wow. Let's make sure everything, every strand of this wig is straight. Ooh, my goodness, this is beautiful. And I love this wig because, you know, sometimes I like to wear it curly, sometimes I like to wear it straight. So it depends on the day or where you're going actually. So, but I feel now I need to wear it straight. And that's why I am going to straighten this. Oh well, guys, let me go ahead and straighten. When I finish, I'll show you how it looks like, okay? Okay guys, as you can tell, the wig is becoming straight with a little bit of heat protector. This is a heat protector. You apply that to protect the wig from burning or from shedding. All you have to do is just put a little bit of that on your hands and then wrap it, and then wrap the wig so that it's shiny, and when you are straightening it, it's really looking good. Oh my goodness, it's already becoming really good. So yes, so this is how it looks like. And if you want it to turn curly, all you have to do is get a spray of water and spray it. It's all curly, right? Or you can get in spray. They have sprays. I have here another spray that I called wet and wavy, tangle free. You can spray this one if you have it wet and wavy. You can spray this one so that it can have some waves in there. But I think I like mine straight right now. I don't want to put any curls at the moment. Probably in the next video I'll show you how it's going to be looking with a curly. So your girl is on fire. So let's comb this wig. Let me bring it closer so y'all can see. So let's comb this wig. Oh my goodness. So again, I'm using this white comb because I don't want to scratch it. I don't want to scrap it. This wig is really so new. You can pat this wig like this, or you can wear it up to your, you know, again, you can just cut it if you want to, but I don't want to cut it. I just want to wear it the way it is. So your girl is ready to be tried. So I'm gonna put it on so I can try for y'all to see, right? Are you even ready? Let's try this wig. Oh my goodness, are you even ready? Are you ready, guys? Look at that. Look at that wig. Oh my goodness, it's really good. Wow, I love it so much. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Comment below about this wig. This is my new wig. So let me show you one more time the back, how it looks like. It's called Naked Nature. Yes, it's really Naked Nature. I don't know if you can read this way or you can read this way. So look at this beautiful lady here. This is how she looks like with the wig. So which means you can wear it like a bang if you want to when it's curly, but I would like to pat mine on the side. I feel like this is how I look much better. Guys, the good thing about this wig, you are not sweating in here. You can just rock this wig. Let me turn from back so y'all can see. Oh my god, what do you think? 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 It's really good. I am so excited about this wig. What do you think, guys? Oh well, guys, thank you so much for coming with me to unbox this magical nature wig. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you have used this wig, go ahead and comment below how you take care of your wig, what kind of product you use on this wig. The only thing I'm gonna use for this wig is either water. I'm gonna use either water, or I'm gonna use this heat protector when I am using I'm trying to put some waves in there, right? Yes guys, so thank you so much, guys. And if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. If you are not a member, consider becoming a member so that we can keep growing this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.